Since the launch of our 18-volt cordless drill over 30 years ago, RYOBI One Plus has been helping all kinds of people do all kinds of brilliant. Is it the endless innovation, year in, year out? Or the ultimate versatility of over 200 tools powered by one battery? Could be. Or it could be that whoever you are, and whatever the job, One Plus has been there for you. And always will be, with tools and batteries that are timelessly compatible. RYOBI One Plus, 30 years of making memories.